Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be checking out the jungle update in Adopt Me with you guys. So as you can see, currently I'm with my pet Axel, my buffalo, and I did get a jungle pet. It's a teddy. Yeah, it was like a teddy bear. And it's kind of weird because the things it does, it's just weird. So I'm just gonna give this a shower and then take it to the pool party, and then we can go check out the jungle update. Sorry if it says Billy's room. It's for my neon rideable pet. And over here it's for, we did like a role play with my friend. She was like the mean sister and whatever, and her dragon, yes, she has a dragon and a unicorn. Her dragon was named Devil because, like, obviously she's bad. Oh my god. And yeah, so why don't we ride this? Because I've been using my car, and my car, let's just say a very good driver. So this video is gonna be short because I don't feel like vlogging too much, recording too much, because it is 12:48 and I'm pretty tired. I know you're like, oh my god, that's such a short time, but for me, like, ever since I got into school, I go to sleep really early. And now that I stay up, I just want to go to bed the time I go to bed regular now, and which is like 8 or something like that. It's just like, so we're just going to be checking out the animals, and then the video will be done. I'm sorry that it's short, but I will for sure be posting tomorrow probably, or Sunday or Monday, because I do have a 3-day weekend because it's Labor Day, Columbus Day, or something like that. Beg my pardon. And yeah, so watch out for a new video coming out. It is Saturday because it is 12, so yeah. Tomorrow will probably be a role play or something. Well, I don't even know if I'm posting tomorrow, but still. It depends, because I know there's something going on with the internet right now. Like, cables are getting shut down in my neighborhood, and it's just like, but it's mostly ours, so it's like, so we're gonna have to probably switch to new network, which is gonna take like 2 days. So I'll probably have Monday to post. But if not, I'll post on my mom's phone, which does have internet because it's a Samsung. And no offense to Samsungs, but they have internet. And iPhones, they do. But if you use all your data up, it's trash. So, we're going to the nursery. I'm sorry, but I don't want to carry, I'm not going to take care of it anymore because it's going to tell me to do a lot of things. Look how weird that is. I'm telling you, look how weird it is. So we're just going to check out the animals, and yeah. So as you can see, I have very little money because I did buy a safari egg, jungle egg, and got this teddy bear. I am going to make it rideable when I have enough Robux. I'm an OBC club, so I get 60 Robux every day. And these are the eggs. Really cool. I like how they designed them. Probably, I'll post this video, and once it's done, in the morning, I'll probably post like a hatching jungle egg or whatever. So yeah, these are the animals. I'm pretty sure it's, what is that? No, I don't know what that is, but I think it's something. Yeah, it's something. Yeah, I have a bear. Let's see. Oh, look, the crocodile I want. I don't know what that is. I think that's a puma. No. I don't know. Look. Oh my god, I'm stuck in one person again.